60 seconds. Joey, first touch. Christian, wala. Lima minutes to Ronson. Ronson! Simon, French from Australia, Lawrence, Vivian, Joey, Christian, open three, Christian Amazon, three, Ronson, five, Jojo, Simon Ronson, condition kali Australia, tatlong sapatos na lang. Hello, di ba? Oh. Joey to Christian. Osman, number 6, Boris. Second personal foul. First goal. Check 5. Goal for 1 by Christian. Ball number 17, Andres Sabastillas. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ari Holmes Marvel. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Villan to Yumi. Yumi, grab pass. Intensive. And Christian. Christian to Michael. And sportsmanlike foul. And sportsmanlike foul number 23. Yumi Celestine. 2 shots by Michael Logo as ball position. Sharon Emel Jenny. Let's go. Second goal, good one. 80 seconds on the shot. Gio to Mayo.
Pantay yang maliit si Gio dyan.
Jangan keras kembali mo.
Mario, to Andres, tumatawa, to Gio.
Bye.
Yorin. Yorin to Cindy. Cindy for two. Gandang laban. Gio to Andres. Osman. Foul number 180. First throw. Wala.
Shot mo!
Second throw. Baseline. Micro logo. Number 5. Green. Celeste. Foul number 3. NFL Jerry. First personal foul. Sorry, number 10. Shooting for 2. Yuki Celeste. First goal. Goal for 1. Christian, foul. False foul. Foul number 14, Ivan Kayanan. First personal foul, 16 foul. Sky Jersey, holding seconds on the shot. Andres. Technical foul or obstruction of justice. Technical foul number 14. Michael Logo, shooting for 1. Good for 1. Change 5. Change 5. Change 5.
Sire lang ito, matang malakak.
Karina!
Uy,
Karina! Wala na kaya?
Simon Watson of Perez. Dahil goal post.
Marami sana lang ano.
Dahil goal post. Sobra. Okay. Base pass for 2. Charlie to Sinisa. 5 for 2.
Dal.
Pass. Lopez for 2. Ever, Roy! Dapat tinira. Bronzo to Francis. Pato. Simon Bolton. Waiting for steering. Pass to Gonzaga. Dan pass to Francis Reyes. Pass for 2.
Yes, Julia. Don't go out.
Charlie hits. Kamay! Charlie for 2. Bronson to Brandon Collins. Pass for 2. Joey Ramos. Pass sayang. Ibabalik Francis to Sabragen over 3.
Don't go out. Don't go out. Let's stay there. Don't go out.
Balls again. Mbappe. Flores. Traveling. Charlie, dan masuk. Charlie. Pagpasyan ni Simon yan, babalik yan sa Australia. 39. Bagusan, babalik ng Australia. Sinisa, wala. Balik sa Melbourne. May bulsa yun. Maraming sapatos. Melbourne, dami pang tackle. Onside. Sabragen. Pasyon. Ila, may taas sa Breda. holding, wala. Rebound. To Charlie. Charlie, raise, wala. Charlie. Gonzalez, wala. Save ball.
Ay, sabihin pa nilang dito.
21 seconds sa shot clock. And that's it. Pagpasan. Save ball. Sabra Fires back. Sabra, three. Ada kedua. Flores is holding. Terima kasih. To Charlie for two. Francis, wala. Sabragen Fire Spring, wala. Rebound ke Sinisa. Sinisa. Open, Sinisa for two. Sabragen for three, wala. Rebound. Joy. Sayang. Paling jersey. Cricket. Play.
Paborito niyo pa naman. Hindi ba kumakain ng pobre? Hindi kumakain ng pobre.
General manager ba? So,
Di pwede siya na piulo. Yan di ba?
Yung home. Siya, ako rin pag-transfer siya. Pag di mo pag-transfer ayaw kayo may gasolina. Rugi gasolina.
Charlie, Copresta, for two, good start. Ivan, apa-apa. Sili. Sending Ivan. 40 seconds on the shot. Yumi. Yumi for three. Yumi Celeste. Green. Joey Torrista. Foul. Off ball. Number 14, Ivan Delana. Third personal foul. First team foul, Sky Jersey. Showing for 1-2, Mr. Kapasa. First row, good for 1. Second row, Hede Riva. Good for 2 with Mr. Kapasa. 180, more pass to Yomi. Yomi to Ivan. Ivan, top. Powerball basketball. Charlie. Goes right away. Remaining time 90 minutes. 40 seconds. Charlie, for three. Charlie, three. Sydney, Abraham. Forward pass to Joey. To Charlie. Joey. Voila. Again, foul. Foul number 23. Yumi Celeste. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Tuh, tok pa, foul pa.
22 seconds. Charlie, Chase, pass, rebound and Christian, 4-2. Tatlo na lang, Ivan. Oy, last dance by Sky Jersey.
Time ko rin ako. Time out.
Ha?
Rin time out.
Joey! Wala! Rebound by 180. Pag-asa ako na ni. Ako na. Wala. Aba Yuri. Pass. Wala. Bame Joey to Charlie. Oy! Sydney to Rijan. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Sydney, jumpers, wala. Rebound and guys to Lando. Emil Joynery. Sky Jersey. Score 41-42. Only 1 point lead by Sky Jersey.
Sean, musta? Hindi. Saan na na-injured? Di ba? Sige. Sige, sir.
Iba kasi yung ating mags. Ewan ko sa binili ni Primat ko yan. Sa amin, ano lang sila eh. Tuklok-tuklok.
Simon Yumi back to Simon. Simon looking for Steven. Back over. Intercept. Osvaldo. Foul number 23. Yumi Celeste. Third personal foul. Chani, Angel Jelly, Fix, Mars, Rebound kay Simon, kay Yomi, to Sydney. To Yomi, Fix, to Sydney to Simon. Wala. Rebound kay Tessa. Joey, Raven Trinity. Foul.
14?
Foul number 23. Yogi Celeste, fourth personal foul. 40 seconds on the shot. Joey, open three, wala. Rebound Francis to Simon to Yume for two. Andres, Papa Dwight in the corner to Charlie. For three, wala. Rebound by Sidney. To Yuri, to Simon to Sidney for two. Baseline, Kalilaman, and the head, Simon. Sidney, and the cemetery. To baseline, Fix, Mars.
Tapos sir, sunod dead ball.
Foul. Celebration. Host power it. 12. Christian Amazon. First personal foul. First team foul. Power bell.
Kasi, ito mo ako. Muna sila.
Power bell, you have two timeouts left. Two timeouts left. Para dyan revolta. Sakit pa. 40 seconds on the shot. Safra, 4-3. Oh, Safra, 3. Bawi. Safra, Francis, Teomi, sabi na siya. Yomi out. 188.
Pasa pa, hindi ko pa nakasama ko isip ko.
Sabi naman siya may training.
Maiko, Mars, wala. Rebound 80. Pass to Safra. Forward pass to Francis. Francis mid. Mars, pass. Francis mid. Rebound third personal foul. 15 fouls, Sky Jersey.
Kung nasa iyang muna, pangawin.
Gio. Gio Chani. Marco Gio. Marco Chani. Base, Lakas. Intercepted. Sabra. Foul. Foul number 4. Gio with your first personal foul.
Second team.
Second team foul. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Sabra, wala. Michael, nakapas to Chani. Baka Gio, nakapas to Simon, Dolores, wala. Ay, Marlon Cristian. Gio. First down! Simon, foul.
Stop tayo ha.
Foul number 18.
Sabi pa wala to no?
Charlie.
First pa lang, first.
Charlie, first personal foul. 13 foul. Foul again. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 18 seconds to shoot. Tax. To Simon. To Sydney. Jumpers. Wala. Rebound na Sabra. Sabra for three. Pass. Rebound na Joey. Forward pass to Charlie. Drop pass to Emerald Jerry. Pass to Joey. Running back foul number 21. Again on the shot. Second personal foul. 16 foul. Sky Jersey. Shooting for 3. Joey Blifanya. First row. Buala. Second row. Uy.
Lewat sa ready magpasok kayo.
Ano ta?
Sa. Sorry. Simon to Sydney. Sydney to pass. Open creation. Rebound by Sydney. Sydney back. Simon. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Sydney. Sydney to Grayson for 2. Charlie Eagles, second personal foul. 14 foul, power bell, Aaron Holmes. Shooting for two, Richard Luktu. First row, wala. Second row, wala pa rin. Rebound by Christian. Christian,
Blue ball. Blue ball.
blue ball.
Isang pa yan.
16 seconds for shot clock. Gio. To Charlie. Back to Gio. Open three. Back swing to Joey. Wala. Rebound by Rinan. Rinan to Simon. Simon to Safra. Wala. Rebound by Rinan. To Joey. Oy! Intercept by Safra. Safra to Rinan. Rinan wala. Pass for two. Christian for two. Rejan to Sydney. Sydney jumpers. Wala. Rebound by Chan. Forward pass to Gio. Gio base. Pass. Oh, foul. Foul number 24. Gio Medeiros. Second personal foul. 15 foul. Power bell. Remaining time 5 minutes. 38 seconds. Simon for three. Wala. Rebound by Christian. Christian. And out. Seventeen seconds on the shot clock. Sabi na siya rin. Fifteen seconds on the shot clock. Gio. Back to Charlie. Back to Gio. Open three. Wala. Rebound by Rejan. Rejan enters in the metro. To Christian. Christian to Gio. For two. Charlie. Safra. For three. For Safra. Three. Foul number 12. Christian Amsar.
Second.
Second personal foul. 16 foul, power bell. Shooting for one. Bun Safra. Wala. Rebound by Joey to Christian. Back to Gio. Gio to Charlie. Pass to Pedro. Back right, swing to Joey. Back to Gio. Swing to Pedro. 8 seconds. 3, 2, foul. Also foul number 5, Richard Luktu.
Number 5 first.
First personal foul, warning for penalty. Sky Green. First goal. Wala.
Pag ma-shoot. Saan tayo, saan?
Parang hindi ko kayo pinagtay.
Score 58 all.
Parang may aga na throw na nabuti na.
Wala si Balban, wala si Piox.
Lagi, no?
You win. 30 seconds on the shot clock. Simon back to Francis. Francis, in. Foul. Foul number 10, blocking foul. Papa Dwight, second personal foul, warning for penalty. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Flores, and 10 seconds. Final. Simon Bote, wala. Simon Bote. Chapo, Simon. 20 seconds on the shot. 20 seconds to shoot. Sydney, open jumper, wala. Ivan Mendoza, open pass to Michael. Michael, pass, wala. Ivan Mendoza, to Yuri. Yuri pushing the ball. Yuri. Ball, on ball. 18 seconds on the shot clock.
First.
Back to the boogie. Penalty.
Lista ba? Lista? Wala, wala. Kapag, no? Dagan pa? Dagan pa?
Rebound ng Simon. Simon. The service. Service. Foul. Foul was Marek. Foul number 18, Charlie Eagle.
Penalty na.
Penalty.
Tatlo.
Charlie Eagle, third personal foul. Ready for goal, Sidney Caramonte. First goal, wala. Second goal. Wala. Coaching foul. Foul number 15, Julie Lorena.
First. Penalty. Penalty, penalty.
Penalty.
Penalty, penalty.
Penalty, penalty.
Inap na, inap na.
Good for one. Score 59-60. Lane by Sturgeon. Powerville, Iron Homes Basketball. Charlie Dontoy, Tomato, Cosio, Dalawan, Ibakan Siwondo, Satra, Satra, Ibakan Monte, Dontoy. Destan, Destan,
Foul. 0-0.
Lamin foul. Foul number 0.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Kita sa CCTV na yun.
Seconds na.
Wala.
Presto. Score 61 more. Happy no? Dapat pa naman yun.
Meron pa kayo, dalawa.
Timeouts. Powerville, 2 timeouts. 2 timeouts, Powerville. Let's go!
Grabe, sumo ka yan.
Half court? Red half court sila. Advance 14 seconds on shot. 14 seconds on shot. Holds penalty. Sydney. 10 seconds on shot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Sydney!
Meron pa isa. Hindi, yan, tatlo pa. Yun. Isa na lang po sa bawat.
All teams turn the penalty. May simple ako.
Cristiano.
6.5 seconds. Michael to Gino.
Ay!
Gino. Ray. Congratulations!